Welcome, whiskey lovers! Today I'm breaking down the world of Johnnie Walker, the most recognized blended Scotch whiskey brand in the world. With 6 distinct colors, each crafted for different moments and drinkers, I'll help you find the perfect bottle for your taste and budget. So let's dive in. First up, the foundation of the Johnnie Walker range, Red Label and Black Label. Red Label is bold and designed for mixing, perfect for cocktails and long serves. It's the whiskey that started it all, crafted for versatility. Then there's Black Label, smooth, rich, and aged 12 years. This is your reliable go-to whiskey, perfect for sipping neat or on the rocks. With its balanced mix of smoke, honey, and fruit, it's a step up from Red Label and a great entry into the world of Scotch. Next, we have Double Black, a bolder, smokier take on Black Label, created for those who love a little extra peat in their dram. Think of it as Black Label's rebellious sibling. And then there's Green Label, often called the hidden gem of the lineup. Unlike the others, this is a pure malt blend featuring 4 distinguished single malts: Talisker, Linkwood, Cragganmore, and Kale Ela. It's rich, complex, and aged for 15 years, offering serious bang for your buck. Gold Label is your everyday luxury dram, built around the distinctive spirit of Clynelish Distillery. It's smooth, honeyed, and elegant, great for celebrating life's little victories. And at the very top, we have the King Blue Label. This one is all about exclusivity, with only 1 in 10,000 casks making the cut. It's rich, refined, and crafted for those unforgettable moments. From its weighty bottle to its velvety smooth taste, Blue Label is a true status symbol. So which Johnnie Walker should you choose? If you're mixing, go for red. For an everyday classic, black is unbeatable. Want more smoke? Double Black is your guy. Looking for the best value? Green Label takes the crown. Gold Label is your step into luxury. And Blue Label, that's for the ultimate indulgence. No matter which label you choose, Johnnie Walker has a whiskey for every occasion. So, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more whiskey insights. Cheers!